Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MCP servers in Google Antigravity. If you are using Google Antigravity and you want it to do more than just help with basic coding, connecting MCP servers is one of the best things you can set up. MCP servers help Antigravity connect to extra tools, apps, files, or services depending on what server you add. So instead of Antigravity only working with inside your normal project, it can get access to more helpful actions. For example, you may connect tools for Google Drive, GitHub, databases, web tools, or other services that support MCP. Now, don't worry, I'll keep this very simple. You do not need to understand every small detail behind it. I'll just show you where to go, what to click, where to paste the setup, and how to check if it works. Step 1. Open Google Antigravity. First, open Google Antigravity on your computer. Once it opens, you want to make sure you are inside a workspace or project. This can be any project folder you want to use. If you already have a project open, you can stay there. If not, open a folder first so Antigravity has a place to work from. After that, look at the side area where the agent panel is. This is where you talk to the agent and give it tasks. The MCP server settings are connected to this agent area, so this is where we are going to start. Step 2. Open the MCP servers menu. Now go to the agent side panel. At the top of that panel, look for the three-dot menu. Click that menu and then choose MCP servers. This will open the MCP servers area. Think of this like the place where Antigravity shows the extra tools it can connect to. If you see a list of servers, that means you are in the right place. Some may already be shown, and some may need to be added by you. From here, you can either use a server that is already available, or you can add your own custom server. Step 3. Click Manage MCP Servers. Next, click Manage MCP Servers. This is the option that lets you control what servers are connected. After clicking it, look for the option that says View Raw Config. Click View Raw Config. This opens the setup file where your MCP server information is saved. This file is where you add the details for the server you want Antigravity to use. Do not panic when you see the file. It may look a little confusing at first, but you only need to paste the correct server setup in the correct area, following the same pattern. If this is your first server, the file may be almost empty. In that case, you can paste the full setup given by the server provider. And that's how you connect MCP servers in Google Antigravity. To quickly repeat it, open Antigravity, go to the Agent panel, open MCP Servers, click Manage MCP Servers, open View Raw Config, paste your MCP server setup, save the file, restart if needed, turn the server on, and then test it with a simple task. Once it works, Antigravity can use that server as an extra tool inside your workflow. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.